Eggplant, also known as aubergine or brinjal, is a crop species of global importance. Through the Crop Trust Crop Wild Relatives projects, scientists and breeders in Spain, Taiwan, Côte d'Ivoire and Sri Lanka investigated crop wild relatives of eggplant as a source of genes for yield increase, fruit quality, disease and drought resistance, and nutritional content. They generated data on cultivated eggplant, 15 CWR species, and on interspecific hybrid backcross populations between domesticated eggplant and 7 wild species. This data is publicly accessible in Germinate, a web-based, open-source and free-to-use database that allows breeders and researchers to organise their experimental data in accessible ways. Germinate is the main data distribution platform for 14 different CWR breeding projects. Let's look at the Germinate eggplant database now. In this example, we will show you how to get data from Germinate on a specific experiment that was used to assess the drought stress performance of 12 wild relatives and 1 cultivated eggplant variety. Go to Datasets, then choose Dataset 21. Select the phenotypes, chlorophyll content, leaf area, number of leaves, plant height, relative water content of leaves, root length and shoot to root ratio. Then click on Plot. The box plots visualizations show the maximum, minimum, median, first and third quartiles for the dataset and are interactive, but what if we want to get more detail? Click on the data matrix, then select traits again like before. Now under Colour By, choose the treatment option to colour by treatment. The data matrix visualization shows individual traits plotted against each other. This example shows how relative water content of leaves and leaf area are related. But what if you want to download the information to use in another analysis package? Germinate has this covered and it's an easy process to download the data. Overall, the data included so far in the Germinate eggplant database represents a dramatic increase in the information available on phenotypic and genotypic characterization of eggplant wild relatives, interspecific hybrids and backcross generations. This data is of great relevance to eggplant breeders. This has been a very quick overview of Germinate, but will give you an idea of how you can get data from the platform. Why not have a play about and see what it can do? Go and explore.